Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anistia Pinakesti. I am from class 5-1 English Department at the University of Lancang Kuning Pekanbaru, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. Okay friends, I will explain about the apps. Rohil is an application that's aimed to help tourists, especially foreign tourists who will visit the Rokan Hilir Regency. This application will later have many features and multi-function when used by tourists and the local community. This application is designed to adapt to the needs of local cultures and foreign tourists who will visit. In this application, three are features that will serve tourists, especially foreign tourists who will visit the Rokan Hilir Regency. This platform will work with the local community, so that later, if there is a price change in culinary of lodging, each user can change it according to the data that is currently being updated. Okay friends, purpose and benefit. The benefits of making an Android-based Rokan Hilir Regency tourist attraction application are as follows. The first, display and process the tourism data maps of Rokan Hilir Regency. The second, provide information about a list of tourist objects and supporting facilities in Rokan Hilir Regency. The third, provide output data in the form of information on the location of the area, sub-district, road location, location of tourism objects, and supporting facilities. And the last, the features continue in these application systems are utilizing the dynamic data map features, comment from features, map direction features, shared features on Facebook and gallery features, profile and related information about tourist objects in Rokan Hilir Regency. Information about supporting facilities, layers, scale, coordinate point, travel route, map raising, tools, zoom in, zoom out, pan, map satellite, and hybrid. Okay, the next about users. This Rohil application can be accessed for all people inside or outside the city as well as foreign tourists who want to visit Rokan Hilir Regency. Users of this application are recommended for age 16 years and over who already have an Android or have a Gmail account. Okay, the next about place and location. Since this application is specifically for the Rokan Hilir Regency area, the location of the Rohil application placement is also related to all special tourist objects in Rokan Hilir Regency only. Okay, the next about features. This Rohil application has 8 features, 4 of which are main features and 4 are additional features. These features are follow: tourist attraction, culinary, hotel, schedule, maps rohil, dictionary, history of Rokan Hilir, and settings. Okay, the next about features. This Anis Rohil application has 8 features, 4 of which are main features and 4 are additional features. These features are follow: tourist attraction, culinary, hotel, schedule, maps rohil, dictionary, history of Rokan Hilir, and settings. Okay, next about app's logo. This application logo characters is a special identifier for the brand. The name of this application is taken from the owner's first name, namely Anis Tiapinakesti. In addition, the name of this application also includes the purpose of the application being created, namely aplikasi destinasi wisata, or abbreviated as ANIS. The name of this application also show the identifier of the application owner, who comes from the Rokan Hilir or Rohil Regency area, and explain the location for playing this application, which was created and used by the user later specifically for the downstream Rokan Hilir Regency area. Then the brand name of this application was formed Anis Rohil. Okay, next, loading display. The loading process in the Anis Rohil application is used as a split screen animation or a liaison between screen 1 and other screen. By making this loading process animation, the owner hopes that it can be add value for the application, especially in the application in interface. Okay, about home page display. The owner goals to make the main page display like this is so that users can easily use this application. All main menu and additional menus are displayed in there entirely on this page. There is further information in the application submenu that has been created to be more specific in organizing the desired content and making it easier for visitors to find and view the application. Okay, about menu function. The first, tourist attraction. This feature contains everything related to tourist objects, such as tourist attraction names, tourist description, tourist location, tourist photos galleries, as well as various reviews of visitors who have traveled to the place. Okay, the second, culinary. Culinary is another main menu of the 4 main features available in this Anis Rohil application. These features contain information about restaurant, place location, photos galleries, along with visitors review as a reference when looking for information about culinary delight in Rokan Hilir Regency. Okay, the third, hotels. Hotel is another main menu of the 4 main feature available in this Anis Rohil application. This feature contains information on a list of hotels and its names that can be visited when traveling, location of place, photos galleries, along with visitor reviews as a reference when looking for information about hotels delight in Rokan Hill Regency. 4. Schedule. The schedule feature functions as the main menu of the X menu in this Anis Rohil application. In this menu, the tour guide application will start to run. 5. Maps Rokan Hilir. This Rokan Hilir map features will immediately display the best route shown in blue, while other routes as alternative are shown in gray. 6. Dictionary. This feature serves as an additional menu in the Anis Rohil application. This feature has a special function, namely a three-language dictionary: Indonesian, English, and regional Rohil. 7. History of Rokan Hilir. In these features, all stories about the Rokan Hill Regency will be attached here. And the last, settings. User setting form is called Rock Main Menu Settings, User Settings. This form is used to add user login and delete. Access to this form can only be done by the coordinator. The navigation buttons have the same function as the previous ones. Addition can be made by filling in the user and password, and in these setting features you can see the background of Anis Rohil application, the author's biographies, and log out or add another user to login. Simulation. The step in running the Anis Rohil application. To be able to access this application, please users go to the official website of this Anis Rohil application by clicking on this website link. If it looks like this, click the download icon and a download notification will appear as below. In this view, just click download. The next screen will display a download notification as shown below. Wait until the download process is complete. When finished, just click on the arrow as shown in the image below. The application has been successfully downloaded. Then install this application on the user's Android desktop. Let the loading run until the application is successfully installed. Click Open, then the application is already installed on the user's Android. This is the loading view when opening this application. Once opened, the user will be asked to create an account to be able to enter this application. Users are asked to enter a Gmail account. Fill in a user's name and password when they want to enter this application. When finished, click Create Account. After successfully creating an account, then the user will be asked to log in to the application by entering the Gmail and password that was previously created. After successfully logging in, the user will be presented with the main menu display. Then please select which tourist attraction you want to visit in the tourist attraction features. For example, Atip Karambai. Click on it and a picture's display and the location of the tourist attraction will appear. Users can scroll down to see various visitor reviews. After that, click Add to Schedule. Next, move to Culinary Features. The users will be asked to specify the food and the cold place to eat. For example, you want to stop on the house to eat Fajar Sari Bagan Siapi-api. Just click on that section and the location of the place will appear along with direction to that location via maps. Don't forget to click Add to Schedule. Then move to Hotel Features section. Please choose which hotel you want to stay in on this menu. Click and open, for example, Lion Hotel. Then the location and place, price and various visitor reviews will be displayed. And add it to the schedule features by clicking the Add to Schedule menu. Then move to Schedule Features. Automatically, all the activities that we choose have been listed in these features. We just need to determine and choose the right time to start the journey. If you have found the right time, click Start Journey on these features. Then your journey will begin in detail. Furthermore, if the user wants to see directions for a particular purpose, then this feature will be very helpful for visitors because the features only access maps specifically for the Rokan Hilir Regency. Click the Maps menu on the Special Features. Write down the vocabulary that visitors want to know when they are having trouble communicating with the local community. Foreign visitors and local residents can understand the language because of the special three-language dictionary in these features. To find out the background of the Rokan Hilir Regency, visitors can access the history of Rokan Hilir features. In this feature, visitors can manage your personal data. As in the account menu, the user can change the profile. When finished, click Save. Then the user can read how the background of making this application on the About menu. In the Developer menu, the user can communicate directly with the owner of this application regarding the submission of criticism or suggestion regarding this application. Visitors are given the choice of what social media to communicate with. It will automatically be directly connected to the owner of this application. Okay friends, I think enough. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget download my application, namely Anis Rohil. And thank you for your all for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.